Hi everyone, welcome to Handmade to Inspire. My name is Dayani, and on today's video we're going to be talking about single crochet yarn over and yarn under. I have two little projects here with me. That this one is worked with yarn over and this one with yarn under. You can clearly see there's a difference between both of them. On yarn under the stitches are smaller and you don't see a gap like you see on the single crochet yarn over, and but I don't think there's a right or wrong way to do it. I think it depends on the project you're making. I would definitely go with a single crochet yarn over if you're doing like a flat project, like a scarf or a beanie or a cardigan. But if you're doing amigurumi, I would definitely go with the yarn under, because it will make your product look better, like the stitches are neater and you don't see the stuffing, because it's not good to have amigurumi, especially if you want to sell it and you have this look like that you can see the stuffing and it loses value. So let's get started on working on both stitches so you guys can see the difference. So let's start working here on the single crochet over. The difference between both stitches are very, very small. The only thing you have to do, because you make the single crochet the same way, is how you place your crochet hook that makes the difference. On the yarn over, the crochet it's under the yarn. So every time you're going to grab your yarn, the crochet is always under the yarn, like the yarn is on top of the crochet hook. So you can clearly see here that is forming a V shape, kind of. The stitch is forming a V. And meanwhile, on the yarn under, you do the same, but instead of placing your crochet hook under the yarn, it's going on top, and you grab your yarn on top with the crochet hook. See? So instead of going like this, we're going like this. Every time you're going to yarn over, you put your crochet hook on top of the yarn. And the stitches end up, because of the motion you do to grab your yarn from the top, it twists in a way that create like a X. So here you can see both legs kind of together. They have the same amount of stitches, the same amount of rows, but you can see this one is bigger, slightly bigger than this one. Is more firm. This one is kind of loose, more loose, because the stitches are not so tight. So it kind of make more loose than this one. And you can see that the stitches are different, are bigger on this one than on this one. Even when I try to pull it like this, there is a gap between the stitches, but not as much as this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a very brief explanation between yarn under and yarn over. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!